Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Waking up in the morning, just being thankful to see another motherfucking day. Sunny day in LA. Gotta hop up in that bike, take a 7-mile bike ride down PCH. Yeah, catching a vibe. Pull over, catch my breath, take a sip of some cold alkaline. Had to readjust my beats, press play, listening to the orange print on my phone.
What's up, man? Welcome back to another install video with accessories mod for a 2019 Civic Si. Today what we're going to be installing are some carbon fiber mirror spike caps that I got from Ultimate Motorsports. So we're going to be installing those, me and my girl. Should be simple. It should just be a 3M tape and it'll go over the mirror cap. Yeah, so it should be fairly simple. I just need somebody to help me align it. And if y'all saw the previous video, the lip is on, so it's gonna tie in perfectly. This was filmed the same day. But yeah, man, I go by name Drewski, and let's install this carbon fiber spike mirror caps from Ultimate Motorsports for a 2019 Civic Si. What you want to do first is clean the area you're gonna work in. Some quick detailer, maybe wash your car. I'm gonna hit with some quick detailer. Take off all the dust. Try to clean as much as you possibly can, you know? So first of all, comes with some 3M tape. Damn, this shit is hard. Oh.
Now you just need the...
Oh, look at the weave. The weave looks good. I don't like how it looks right here. It could have kept this whole pattern the whole time. But it's okay though, man. They weren't breaking the bank. Oh, it's so easy to install it. Yeah, that shit do look hard. That's crazy, man. This shit do look stupid nice. Fitment is really good. Obviously, it could be pushed a little bit more. Fitment is on point. It covers up most of the red. So, pretty much what I'm assuming that we got to do is grab a little strip of 3M tape.
Put it all over that bitch.
And then just put it on the side of the... And then just...
And in the middle too, why not?
Yeah.
If you have enough.
If you have enough.
Extra security.
So I'm assuming you just...
Yeah, line that bitch.
Or do you put it on here?
On the rotor.
Dude, the fitment's so good on this shit. I really love it. I'm glad I went with the spike mix. I'm not in love with the carbon pattern. It doesn't match. It doesn't flow right. You know, it goes like this and then it goes like that and then...
Yeah, you're gonna have...
With the dash, bug 90 in the 4-5, 3 a.m. Demon time. Didn't sell my soul. I didn't sell my soul. I don't do that nasty shit. I just got rich. I just ran it up. Hack the fucking system. Hack the motherfucking matrix. Now I got a target in my back, bitch. Yeah. Hop up in the Benz. Hop up in the air side.
You want to peel back the 3M tape? Is the brush already?
No, you're good. Okay, it'll come off in the freeway.
It's showing a little bit right here, but
It doesn't even show.
it's only from the inside.
Yeah.
So hopefully this holds up.
Yeah, just let it dry out in the sun.
Yeah, or in the shade. Or some shade.
Yeah.
Fitment's all A1. Nice.
Yeah.
Should look good. There you go, simple mod.
It up. I just hacked the matrix. I stole everybody.
Wipe me down. What the fuck? This shit got two different type of carbon. Bruh, y'all tripping. Y'all gotta... Wow, I'm about to DM him right now.
Wait, hold on. Like...
Look, come on.
Put it... No, I know, but... Put it next to it? Isn't that...
No, it's noticeable.
They must have did that one wrong. You know how they dip it in that water?
Make sure the fitment's good. Fitment's great. It's just a pattern. I knew it was a little off when I seen it look wavy.
So just make sure you put it more down. Yeah, because the red will show. You know what's up? How is this red matching your head?
That's good, Richard.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, scrumptious.
Scrumptious. Shout out to you. Damn, y'all, look at that shit. That shit looking good. That shit looking spicy. Alright, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Spike one. Unfortunately, our flow pattern is not the same, but I'm gonna hit them up so they could hopefully send me some new ones for free. Because I'm not rocking this shit. But I'll rock it for now. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Catch you on the next
flight, catching a flight. Every week, new city, touching like in H&D. That's Japan if you didn't know. Window seats when I'm flying overseas. I see that white girl staring at me, wishing she was sitting next to me. Yeah, I smell good. YSL. Look at my swag. Look at my shoes, look at my bag, look at my wrist, look at my neck, look at my teeth, yeah, they glistening. Put the gold all around me, yeah. I don't really wanna do the diamonds, no I don't.